What's up, you guys? Gemini Jet Review here, coming at you with an infinite flight video. This time it's with the U.S. Airways Boeing 757-200, and this plane came out with the latest infinite flights update, and it does look good. It has pretty good graphics, I have to say. So this plane is taxiing right now at JFK Airport. It's going to hold short and take off on runway 22 right and get clearance from it. So why don't we go ahead and play the video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and always. And stay tuned for more videos. This plane, I did add realistic sounds. So yeah, I think that was a really good takeoff. I did it just a few minutes ago, if you guys just want to know that. So what I want to do for you guys is I'm going to put the control tower view on. So hold on for just a second. So here's the U.S. Airways 757-200 in its control tower view. I'm not going to play the video of the control tower view for the whole takeoff. That would just not be good. Just part of the takeoff. Now I'm just holding short on the runway. And we're going to start rolling soon. So yeah, that was the control tower view of the 757 takeoff from JFK on our 822 right. Comment, like, and subscribe as always, and stay tuned for more videos. Hope you enjoyed.